Hello, I am going to do something that I've been wanting to do. This is a 16 by 20. I actually want to do this method on a really, really big canvas. So I want to kind of test it on a smaller scale, even though this isn't extremely small. But I'm using a lot of colors, so I wanted a big enough canvas. The colors will be in the description. They're all mixed media girl paint. However, I didn't want to use up all her colors because they're quite vibrant and wonderful. So what I did was I just put them in a cup. I mixed a little Floetrol in there with some other pouring medium and water because I wanted to really thin it down. So I'm just going to lay the base coat down first. So let's just do that and get going on that. Quite lovely, isn't it? I am just pleased. I like the cell activity that's going on. You know, thinning out the paint really let it blend a little bit better. Actually, a lot better. Oh, look at what happened there. I have no idea. But this effect blows my mind. I wish I would have gotten that in more places. Yeah, I'm quite happy with what this did. I mean, wow. And how that kind of feathered out. So anyway, I think on a large scale, this is just going to be a stunner. As it is, to me, this is a stunner. Let me hold it up. I got a glare of the light. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching me blow this out. It was quite fun. I was thinking of tilting it, but I just refrained myself because the cells that happened, I did not want to disrupt that. I just had to leave well enough alone. So anyway, hope you subscribe to watch more.